What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Camper Studios, and today I'm going to show you another idea on how to make money in the gaming niche. So, if you're trying to make money in the gaming world, I don't care if you're trying to do game development, game art, voice acting, subscribe to the channel. I can show you many ways on how to do so. And today I got a quick one for you. Uh, this one is gaming assets. Now, gaming assets or assets in the game is basically anything that goes into the game. It's like as far as like guns, shoes, even the blades of grass, trees, individual bullets, med kits, any individual piece in the game is considered an asset. Now, to make money selling these you can either, if you already have 3D modeling experience or the bachelor's degree or whatever in gaming assets, you can post those services on Fiverr.com, and people will buy services from you. Like, see, these people are posting their services on Fiverr.com, making assets for like $25, $45, $10, $20, $5, and all the way up to like $60 on some of these places, some of these assets, right? See, this one right here is doing it for $60. But let's say if you don't have enough time for gaming asset classes or anything like that, and you just want to do it yourself. So here's what you'll do. You'll go on Fiverr.com, hire one of these people, like this guy right here, pay him $5 to make a simple low poly gun or low poly apple or anything you can imagine, a low poly med kit and whatever you want to type. And it doesn't really matter exactly what you do as far as assets. There's as long as you put it into like a theme and sell them as packs. Say you have a gun packs, monster packs, and you just keep hiring these people for like $5 and make a like a theme pack to sell. And then you're gonna go to another website, and the website is called Udemy Asset Store. You following me now? That's right. You just paid someone $5 to create an asset that you can post they finish and you purchased it and you have it all set up. You can go on Udemy Asset Store and post your asset on the website, and it will just sit there forever. So let's say if you made say if you bought a prop, a 3D prop off of Fiverr.com, and now you can just post them up here where it says sell assets, and then you can go to publisher portal, and it's a bunch of different. Get this out of the way. But yeah, you can post your asset you just purchased on here, and see people are posting crap like this, like guitars, chairs, guns, pumpkins, anything. Now, and they're selling it for $15, right? So you imagine you bought an asset like a little boat, right? Like this guy, they bought sailboats. They're selling sailboats for assets. And suppose you go on Fiverr.com and you pay someone $5 to make this asset, and you put it on the Unity Asset Store for $15. Are you seeing the potential in this, guys? Are you seeing the potential in this? Or say if you're like a horror guy like me, like zombies and stuff, you pay someone $5 to make like 4 or 5 different style bats, and you can post them. You can excuse me. You can post them on Unity Asset Stores, and this is just one website. You can there's other websites other than Unity Asset Store you can post your assets on. And say if you just did like a huge package, pause, a huge package where you have like a bunch of like fountains, like this guy right here. They're selling assets. I'm pretty sure most of them probably made it themselves, but you can get into the competition too, guys, by utilizing Fiverr and just paying people to make assets for you. You can post your own assets on websites just like this. I'm just using this website as an example because it's one of the top tier or one of the most popular websites to do so. Look, $69. Imagine you paying someone like $50 to make all these assets, and then you post it on the website for $69 like this guy, and it just sits there for life. It gets 11 hearts to it. I'm pretty sure people are buying it, and it just sits there and it's making passive income for this guy. And this one has like little guns. You can work with a Fiverr freelancer, and they'll make you some guns for your assets, and you post them on a website like this. Now, for some of you don't really know exactly what an asset is and why people will buy them. Independent games, like small gaming studios, they don't really have time to worry about all the assets in the game especially when they're on a time crunch and they're trying to push a game out as fast as possible. So some of the popular games in the world may have used assets to save time and to save money from instead of hiring people, they just buy freelancer services like people off Fiverr and buy the assets to save time. I'm not saying all companies do that, but most of the smaller ones do. I know that for a fact. So yeah, that's why people will buy assets like this, and they'll just sit there for life, guys. And you can sell them. You can push this as far as you want to go. You can promote your assets on your social media. I mean, you can do. I mean, the sky is the limit on this, guys. And yeah, that's just a quick little tidbit on how to make money selling assets without knowing how to create assets yourself. And yeah, peace. Make sure you if you're still there, please like and subscribe to the channel. I have so many things to teach you guys. This next year, I want at least 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I don't care when or how it gets there. I just want people to know the things I know as far as making money. And now I'm going to slowly progress out of the gaming niche into different ventures, guys. But I'm going to stay primarily in the gaming niche, but it's going to be more things to come as far as real estate, as far as stocks. I don't want to get into Bitcoin too much, but if I have to, I might show some things about Bitcoin. I'm trying to stay away from that. But yeah, just like and subscribe.